Hey guys, today I'm trying MrBeast's new Feastables Milk Crunch Bar. My brother already opened it to try it. Him and my mom said it was pretty good, it just tasted like a crunch bar. Last time I had the crunch bar that he makes, it was the old Feastables, so this is the new Feastables. And the chocolate has like MrBeast logo on it. It's pretty good. I don't know if it's better than a crunch bar though. Definitely give this again. I have to compare like a crunch bar to this in another video or whatever. Very good, smooth. The milk chocolate is really smooth and has a really nice flavor. So I rate this like a 9 out of 10. Looks like it has air bubbles in it too. What? So I'll definitely give this again. I tried the cookies and cream one, the new one, so that was pretty good. Just tastes like a Hershey's candy bar. Like a Hershey's cookies and cream candy bar, so. This one tastes a little bit different than a crunch bar, but it's almost exactly the same. Might have less ingredients, like he says. It says it's supposed to or whatever, I don't know. Okay. It's really good. It's very smooth. Not too overpowering of a chocolate taste. The rice flour or whatever is in here. The rice treats are a pretty nice touch. I got this one from Speedway, but it says used by December 2025. Probably wouldn't have gotten it on that, but oh well. You can scan and win stuff, I guess. I don't know. I forgot what he said about that. Well, there's 2 servings in this. The ingredients are milk chocolate and crisp rice. There's sugar, whole milk powder, cocoa butter, unsweetened chocolate, lecithin, or whatever it's called, natural vanilla extract, and rice flour, sugar, and salt. So there's 9 ingredients. So yeah, that was trying MrBeast's new Feastables Milk Crunch Bar. So I would definitely get it again, but I think it tastes a little bit better than a crunch bar. It has like a smoothness to it, like I was saying. Yeah, guys, I was trying MrBeast's new Feastables Crunch Bar. So, thanks for watching and subscribe.